They had this terrible accident Saturday morning. The Romanian community, we are trying to raise some funds to help them. Unfortunately, too much we cannot do anymore. But we are trying to help the family because they need to repatriate Dan's body so he can be buried at home. And the costs are quite high for this. So we are asking anybody who is able to help with as much as they can so we can help transport the body back to Romania.
Something that impressed me through the story is also how close you are as a community, right?
We are trying. You know, living in a foreign country, it's always difficult, so we need to stick together. But we had, with this accident, a lot of help from the Maltese people as well. And not only foreigners are looking for us, they are donating money. Everybody what it can, so we are trying.
You knew the victim. How would you describe him?
Yes, I know them for many years already. They were a wonderful family, hardworking. They have 2 small children. The wife now is in the hospital, but she's under the care of the neurosurgery department in Mater Dei. It is a shame that we need to stick together in this type of cases. They were wonderful people, and they were a wonderful family.